welcome back to Handwriting Helps with Courtney Lee. Today we will be going over numbers. So tall letters start near the top line and go to the baseline. Lowercase letters start at the midpoint and go to the baseline. Numbers are halfway between the top line and the midpoint. So just like with letters, we start with our round numbers. So we start with 8. 8 starts at 2 on the clock. We go around to 10, cross over to 4, curve around to 8, and then back up to 2. For 9, we start at 2, make a little circle, and then pulse down to the baseline. And 0, we start at 2 and make more of an oval than a circle. So the first number is the number 1. We start halfway between the top line and the midpoint, pull straight down to the baseline. For 4, we pull down part way and then do a horizontal line, and then do a line to the baseline. 5, we start with a short line down, curve around like we're on a clock, stop at 8, and give it a little top horizontal line. 6, you curve around, make a little loop, and touch the baseline. 7, short horizontal line, and pull down to the baseline. Next number is 2, which starts at 10 on the clock. You curve around to 2, diagonally down to the baseline, make a little loop, and curve back up. For number 3, start at 10 on the clock, curve around to 2, come in at 3, then curve around to 8. Now I'm going to write all of the numbers in numerical order. So starting with the 1, straight down. 2, start at 10, curve around, bounce off the baseline. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Remember, these are halfway between a tall letter and a lowercase letter. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment. Let me know one thing you've learned. And if you know somebody who would benefit from this, would you please tag them or share this video with them? Thanks so much for watching.